I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your email sequences in Mailingboss. As you can see, I'm logged into the Mailingboss dashboard, and I'm going to go up to the top menu, and I'm going to choose Campaigns, and then choose Email Sequence. And this gives me a list of all of my email sequences that I have available in Mailingboss. So I'm going to choose Shelley's first email sequence, and I'm going to go all the way over to the right-hand side. And we're going to talk about these icons that are available for us. The first one is Sequence Campaigns Report. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this gives us kind of a summary of what's happening inside of our sequence. It shows us all the emails that we have in the sequence. It shows what day they go out, if the action or the trigger is on subscribe, or if the trigger is on opening another email campaign. It also shows us if that email is active or paused. Along with that information, it gives us some basic analytics, including showing us the total number of emails sent, how many were opened, how many were clicked, and how many were unsubscriptions. Okay, it does that for each email that's in the sequence. Along with that information, it also gives you a general summary of the entire subscription list so you can see your subscribers and some information about those subscribers. So let's take a look at what else we can do with our email sequence. So we're back to Shelley's first email sequence, and I'm going to go all the way to the right again, and I'm going to choose the second icon, which is Update. When I open that screen, it's going to allow me to update the information about our email sequence. So if I go to this screen and make any changes, I then can click Save and Edit Sequence Emails. And this will throw me right into the area where the email campaigns are for our sequence. And I can choose to edit there, or I can scroll down and click Done. And now that takes me back to the summary of our email sequence, and I can choose to go back to the main dashboard. I'm going to go back to our email sequence list. I'm going to look at Shelley's first email sequence again. I'm going to go all the way to the right, and we're going to look at the third icon, which is the sequence campaigns. When I click this icon, it's going to take me into all of the email campaigns that I have in this email sequence. And as you can see, I can edit any of these that I want to. I can also change the way this goes out to the subscriber. I can delete the email campaign, or I can pause or activate the email campaign. I can also edit. When I'm finished, I go down to the bottom and I click the Done button at the bottom. And that takes me back to the email sequence summary. I can choose to, again, edit from there by using this blue button, or go back to the main dashboard by using the blue dashboard button. I'll go back into my campaigns again, going into email sequence. I'm going to choose Shelley's first email sequence again. I'm going to go all the way to the right, and the next icon I have available to me is the delete icon. I can click this and delete my email sequence. If I click the delete button, I'm going to get a question that says, are you sure you want to delete this item? If you click yes, you will delete this email sequence. If you click no, it will keep the email sequence in your email sequence list. The next icon I have available is the transfer. If I click that icon, I can choose to transfer this email sequence to another Builderall user. So I put their Builderall email in that field, then I choose yes, and a copy of that email sequence has been sent to the Builderall user that you indicated by putting in their email. So now we can share email sequences with other Builderall clients. In the same window where you have all of your sequences, you can also choose to create a new sequence by clicking the Create New button. So that's how you manage your email sequences inside of Mailingboss.